Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsman. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada. Earlier today I filmed a video showing you some products from the Santa's Workshop suite from Stampin' Up! It's available for customers to order from September 5th, and this was the stamp set that came with it, and there's designer series paper and coordinating dies and lots of other goodies. And one thing I didn't show you though was the Santa's Workshop Memories and More card pack. Now, Memories and More is probably best thought of as a memory keeping system, and it's pre-cut cards in 4x6 and 3x4, and you can use those to scrapbook. They're pre-cut. You can stick them onto a standard 12x12 page, or you can put them into little pocket pages and scrapbook that way. But one other use, or another use, for the Memories and More cards is to actually make cards and other projects with them. So I thought that today I would show you really quickly how to put together a card using some of these products. Now, what you can get in the Christmas catalogue is the Memories and More cards and envelopes in red. Let me just check exactly which red they are. They are Poppy Parade, so a very, very bright red, and the card bases come cut and pre-scored, so when they're folded they will be 4x6 for the large size and 3x4 for the small size. That said, they're actually slightly bigger than that. The cards are designed so that you can take a 3x4 card and just put it straight on and it will leave a little border. So what I have got here, as I don't have the red ones, the Poppy Parade ones just yet, I am using the Whisper White Memories and More card. They're exactly the same size, just a different colour. So it's already pre-scored, so I can just use my bone folder to sharpen the crease, and I'll put that aside while I show you what's in this Memories and More card pack. So there are actually 50 double-sided cards of 3x4 and 4x6, and 6 single-sided cards in 4x6 and some sticky sheets. So let's start with the small ones. These are the 3x4. They're double-sided, so I have flipped them over so it makes it easier to show you. Some of them are background type and some leave room to do some journaling. As you can see, some of them are portrait, some could be used either way, some are landscape. Love the colours in these. And some of the designs coordinate very nicely with the DSP. So that's 3x4 inch cards. And for the 4x6, again I have flipped them over to make it easier for you to see them. Same here, some are portrait and some are landscape. Perfect for journaling, for your scrapbooks. And here are the single-sided specialty cards. You can see the shimmer and shine on that. There's lots of Dazzling Diamonds glitter on that, and the snowflakes. There's another one with larger polka dots, and a red and green one in diagonal stripes. Then there's some more with the illustrations on again, with the sparkles on. Another one there with sparkles. And this one, I love this one. It's so bold and bright. Great card, that one. And then 4 sticker sheets. These are very simple to take off. I find the best way to do it is to hold onto the sticker you want and bend it backwards, and it pops up without any trouble. Don't sit there trying to pick it with your fingers. Much easier to do it that way. And some of the stickers give you space to actually stamp something. Then all 31 days of December. So if you want to journal the whole of December, you can do. Again, some you can put little stickers in. And 1 set of stickers which have got those beautiful dazzling diamond sparkles on them as well. Okay, so let's put this card together. Here is my Memories and More card base. It is designed for a 6x4 card. So, as I say, the card itself is slightly bigger. Now I'm just going to take my Memories and More card. It's a big card, so I'm going to put a decent number of Stampin' Dimensionals on here. I don't want it going all floppy in the middle. Can't be doing with a floppy Santa. Okay, let's take the backs of these off. You don't have to use Stampin' Dimensionals to put these cards on. If you wanted to, you could just use normal adhesive, either liquid adhesive or snail. And in fact, they would make perfect cards to be making with children because they are so simple to put together. So I'm just lining that up. There's my card front, already done. Let's open that up there and we'll put something on the inside. Let's have a look, what should we put there? How about Merry Christmas? So let's put Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas in the middle. There we go. So there's that. And then, as I always do the envelopes, if I can put my hands on it, here it is. There's my envelope. And what I will probably do with this one, if I was using these Memories and More cards, is once I have written inside my card, I will then flip it over, and I could use one of these seals stickers to stick the envelope down. There you are, really quick, really simple. Easy to do with children, easy to do if you don't have a lot of craft supplies, don't want to have a lot of craft supplies. You can still make your own cards, and with the variety that you have in the card pack, whether you make 4x6s or whether you make slightly smaller 3x4s, either way you can have some great fun making cards this holiday season. Hope you've had fun with that, and I will bring you some more sneak peeks from the 2018 holiday catalogue from Stampin' Up! Over the next 2 weeks in the run up to it going live on September the 5th. If you live in Canada and you'd like to purchase any of these items, do visit my website www.papercraftwithme.com, and you will find a link there to my online store. I can take orders from anyone living anywhere in Canada. Also on that website you will find my blog where I put daily paper crafting inspiration and lots of ideas for Christmas and lots of other occasions too. So I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye.